procedure to make the calibration of the Presto DeltaE or DENS D3. You need the unit, you need the manual with all the explanation step by step, and you need the reference card with the related color and the number you should reach. And to proceed, it's quite easy. You take the unit, you go here and you press this number. To enter in the mode, you need to press this button and wait until you have the number or rel for relative or absolute for absolute. Generally, we use the relative mode. To go next step, you press here, you have cal. First thing to do is to read the paper. And you read like that, and you have 0 or 0.1. This is the paper measurement. Again, okay, I have 0. Now, second step, I press again this, and I'm looking for the black 176. I go on the black patch and I measure my black patch. As you can see, 176 is perfect. I go now next to yellow, 150, I have 151. It's still okay, but if I like to have exactly the same number, I press here plus or minus here. I go to plus to 151. I go next step. I go now to the magenta. 133, 131. I go down until I have 131. Next step. Now I go to the cyan. Cyan 141, 143. I go down to 141. Now it's finished. I just need to leave the calibration mode, and to leave this mode, I press this again for 5 seconds until the unit is again going in the normal way. And I can check if I have 0, I have 0. If I go to the black, 75, 76. If I go to yellow, 151, 151. If I go to magenta, 121, 129, 131, it's okay. And if I go to cyan, 141, 143. Now my unit is calibrated.